What's going on, guys? If you have an older Honda vehicle from, say, the 90s to through the 2000s, like up till 2011, 2012, I'm not sure at what point Honda went to 100% CVT, but if you've got an older Honda that uses a 4-speed, 5-speed, 6-speed transmission, and it uses DW1 or Z1 transmission fluid, I highly recommend Valvoline Maxlife ATF. This fluid is fantastic for Hondas. I've been using it in my Honda Pilot for over 100,000 miles, and it's been just fantastic. I've still got the original transmission, and I have 215,000 miles now on my Honda Pilot. I've also got several other Honda vehicles and have had several Honda vehicles in the past where I've used this fluid with no problems whatsoever. You just have to make sure that your owner's manual says, let's see here, that you've got DW1 or Z1. So if your Honda uses DW1 or Z1, or your Acura, I've got some buddies that have an Acura MDX from the mid-2000s that also use this fluid. You can use this fluid in place of the Honda fluid. I actually think this is better than the Honda fluid. To me, the vehicle shifts better, just drives better with this fluid versus the Honda fluid. Right here it says suitable for use in over 90% of vehicles. You can use this in Fords, GMs, Toyotas, Lexus, Honda, Acura, Nissan, Infiniti, Hyundai, BMW, Allison, Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, VW, Audi. It is just a fantastic, amazing fluid. The only thing you have to consider is that this cannot be used in CVTs or in DCTs. So it's meant for automatic transmissions, where the transmission is shifting between gears. It's not for a CVT or a DCT, but highly recommended. It's way cheaper than the Honda fluid. It's readily available. You can get it almost anywhere. You can get it on Amazon. You can get it at Walmart. And it's cheap enough to where I go ahead and I do a fluid change. I do a drain and fill on my Hondas every 15,000 miles, actually, is what I've been doing lately. You're supposed to do it every 30,000 miles, but I've just been doing it every 15,000 miles just to make sure that the transmission lasts longer and I've got cleaner fluid in there. So yeah, highly recommended. Valvoline Maxlife full synthetic ATF. This is the multi-vehicle one, and as you can see here on the back, it really works in lots of different vehicles. You can even go to the website if you've got an older vehicle that specifies a fluid that's no longer available. Like, for example, Honda discontinued the DW1 fluid and they replaced it with the Z1. So if your Honda owner's manual says to use DW1, the Z1 is a replacement, and then you can use this Valvoline Maxlife fluid. Also really nice that Valvoline's American owned and operated, so that's always a plus. Thanks for watching. Take care.